Only Archana today.
नहीं आज तो क्या आजाद. Okay, we are beginning with the session. Okay, so let me start sharing my screen first. Okay, for today what we are going to do is we are going to do the session first and doubt solving I'll take at the end. Okay, so end में अगर समझो किसी को कुछ doubts नहीं है, those people can leave the meeting and people who have the doubts they can stay back and clear their doubts. Okay, can everyone see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. तुम लोग का एनोटेशन चालू, जैसे स्क्रीन दिखाया एनोटेशन चालू, डिसेबल पार्टिसिपेंट एनोटेशन डन. अब तुम लोग नहीं ड्रॉ कर पाओगे. Yes, so we are doing answer writing practice today. Okay, but before we do answer writing practice today, we are going to do a quick exercise. Okay, this exercise is known as mindfulness exercise. Mindfulness से क्या होता है? Mindfulness से आजू बाजू जो हम लोग फील कर रहे हैं उस पे हम लोग का ध्यान चला जाता है and we feel more calm. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. We are going to say these 5 things. Okay, so first, so I'll model it out. कैसे करना है मैं तुम लोग को बता रहा हूँ. So just pay attention how I am doing it and you have to do the same thing one by one. So notice 5 things you can see. So I can see my laptop screen, I can see my bottle, I can see my mobile phone, I can see tissue paper, I can see Wi-Fi. So I can see 5 things around me. Next, notice 4 things you can feel. So I can feel the table touching my hands, I can feel the chair touching my legs, I can feel the shirt touching my body, and I can feel some warmth on my body. Okay, so 4 चीजें मैंने बता दी what I can feel. ये physical feeling है. Okay, emotional feeling नहीं है. Next, notice 3 things you can hear. So I can hear मेरे 2-3 बिल्डिंग छोड़ के कोई तो काम कर रहा है जिससे काम करने का आवाज आ रहा है मैकेनिकल कुछ तो. I can hear birds chirping and
Yeah, there is words.
birds chirping. I said let me concentrate. Okay, what can I hear more? एंड नीचे जो व्हीकल्स जा रहे हैं उसका आवाज आ रहा है मुझे. ओके, नेक्स्ट 2 थिंग्स आई कैन स्मेल. सो मुझे आजकल सर्दी हो गई है थोड़ी, सो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू स्मेल. सो लेट मी चेक. आई कैन स्मेल लाइक वाटर. और बहुत एक रूम को बहुत देर तक बंद रखने के बाद जो स्मेल आता है वो स्मेल आई कैन सेंस. ओके, सो those were my 2 smells. And last one thing I can taste water because I just drank some water. So मैंने ये जैसे किया वैसे ही सब लोग you all are going to unmute yourself one by one and going to share. Okay, and I'm going to tag someone. I'll tag Shubham, go for it, and then you can tag someone else.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
5 things I can see is you all in the Zoom meeting and speaker beside me and my sister studying beside me and phone ahead me. And 4 things that I notice, I feel like hotness of the toast that I ate now and the normal temperature of the room and the sweet taste of the tea and the taste of the toast, the crunchy taste of the toast. And 3 things I can hear. The 3 things I can hear, that is the working of the fans motor fans, and listening. I can hear your voices, and I can hear my mother's voice. Okay. 2 things I can smell, that is poha, because I can smell because my mother is making it, and I can smell that tea. Now notice, I think you can the taste of the tea. That's it. Yeah, thank you. I tell Azad. Yeah, I tell Azad.
Yes, is Azad here? I'm not sure. I think
Hello?
Azad has dropped out from the call. Karan, हम लोग mindfulness exercise कर रहे हैं. So just pay attention what others are doing and you will understand what we are doing. Okay, और जो screen share कर रहे हैं वो भी देख लेना.
Okay, bhai.
Shubham, tag someone else. Till then, Karan, please be on mute. Okay.
And भैया रचना.
Okay.
भैया.
Yeah, give some time. Rasna will unmute herself and start sharing. Okay.
भैया वो ड्राइंग वाला चालू करो ना.
What do you mean drawing? No.
Fine.
Rasna, we are waiting for you to share. Okay. So if you are speaking, we can't hear you. Unmute yourself and start sharing. Rachna, are you here? Okay, Shiva, I don't think Rachna is here. So till then, again, tag someone else.
भैया अमन.
Let's go for it, Aman.
हाँ भैया, I can see 5 things are first my book, second cows eating, third lots of tree, fourth solar क्या बोलते उसको, panel, solar panel, and one cow is shouting, I can see. And I can feel fourth thing is first I can feel the मतलब खाट चारपाई, I can feel hot, I can क्या बोलते, I can feel air, 3 हो गया. और एक चीज I can feel my eyes spinning because of 6.
Okay.
And 3 things to hear, I can hear cow sound, and you second you all sound, and third bird sound.
Okay.
What I can smell, I can nothing smell because I am outside.
Mm-hmm.
I taste just mango.
Okay, tag someone else now.
Karan.
Karan, you understood what we are doing, right? You're on mute. Wait, let me unmute you.
Mute कर खुद को Karan.
Sorry, I muted you again. Unmute last time. I won't touch you.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes भैया, मतलब गांव के बारे में बताना है ना.
Yes, you can see the screen, na, Karan?
Yes भैया.
Yeah, just start sharing.
So भैया, I want to share about my village.
Yeah, no, you have to follow what's written in the PPT. First 5 things you can see. 5 चीजें क्या-क्या देख सकते हो?
भैया notice.
Yeah, 5 चीजें आजू-बाजू क्या-क्या देख सकते हो ये बताओ पहले.
भैया, I see my मतलब cows. और भैया आम के पेड़.
2.
और भी भैया गांव के लोग.
3.
और बहुत सारे भैया.
No, look around. और क्या है? लोगों के अलावा और क्या? 2 चीजें बतानी.
दुकान.
क्या? दुकान.
Yes.
Okay, 4 हो गए. One more.
भैया छत पे बैठे.
Terrace. Okay. Now next 4 things you can feel. 4 चीजें क्या-क्या फील कर रहे हो तुम? Feel as in physical. Okay, तुम्हारे बॉडी पे क्या-क्या फीलिंग्स आ रही है?
I am feeling happy भैया.
बॉडी पे क्या क्या फील हो रहा है? फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने बोला था आई कैन फील द टेबल टचिंग माय हैंड, आई कैन फील द शर्ट ब्रशिंग अगेंस्ट माय बॉडी. ये मैंने शेयर किया था. तो तुम्हारी बॉडी पे क्या क्या फील हो रहा है?
भैया आई कैन फील द आई एम सिटिंग इन छत.
ओके, 1.
एंड भैया आई कैन फील द आई एम सीइंग दुकान.
फीलिंग बॉडी पे क्या क्या फीलिंग आ रही है?
भैया काउ सीइंग मतलब जब गाय को देखते हैं.
बॉडी पे फीलिंग. करण, are you feeling hot or are you feeling cold?
Medium भैया.
Medium. Okay, so can you feel the air?
Yes भैया.
Okay, that's third. One more thing your body can feel.
भैया it's raining. I can feel raining.
Yeah, you can feel the raindrops. Amazing. Now 3 things you can hear. क्या 3 चीजें सुनाई दे रही है तुम्हें?
भैया गाड़ी की आवाज.
1.
और भैया the peoples are talking around. एंड भैया काउस आर मतलब जो गाय लोग चिल्ला रहे हैं, बकरी चिल्ला.
Yeah. Cows move, right?
Yes.
Okay. 3 things done. 2 things you can smell.
Good smell, bad smell.
It could be anything.
Yes भैया. Good smell, bad smell.
What's the good smell? क्या किसका स्मेल आ रहा है? Bad smell किसका आ रहा है?
हमारे देश की मिट्टी.
Okay, so you can smell the soil and one more thing.
And second smell, भैया यहाँ पे कहीं कहीं बदबू ज्यादा आती है.
अब किससे? कचरे से.
हाँ.
So you can smell the garbage. So those were the
Yes,
two
भैया.
things.
भैया like this.
Hmm.
See
Okay.
भैया.
Yeah,
Like this.
I'm seeing.
Yes.
Last one thing you can taste.
Taste.
Yes. What's the taste
Yeah,
in
for
your mouth?
example.
कुछ भी हो सकता है. मैंने रिसेंटली पानी पिया था तो मुझे पानी का टेस्ट आया. शुभम ने रिसेंटली चाय पी थी तो उसको चाय का टेस्ट आता था टंग पे.
Chocolate.
Okay, you can taste chocolate. Amazing, Karan. Now tag someone else.
भैया. सपना.
Okay, Karan has tagged Sapna. Now you can mute yourself. Okay, Karan.
Okay भैया.
Sapna, we are waiting for you.
Five things I can see: fridge, fan, table, book, and pen. Oh yeah. Four things I can feel. I'm feeling hot because गर्मी है, and things I can feel. नहीं वो coming here on the I am feeling fresh because अभी मैं थोड़ा सोई थी and I have woke up. Third, I am feeling my hair coming on my face. Okay, तीन चीजें.
ये 4 चीजें हैं.
I can feel hair coming on my face.
Great. Next.
Three things I can hear. I can hear you, I can hear me, and I can hear the sound of air. ऐसे पंखा चल रहा है ना, आवाज आ रही है. Okay, two things I can smell. This smell भैया normal smell. कुछ आ ही रहा है smell. कुछ बन नहीं रहा है. अभी बनने जा रहा है. Nothing I am able to tell.
Okay.
I can smell my clothes. If you turn again. Taste. ये टेस्ट का क्या करना है? अरे मैं अभी तूने थोड़ी देर पहले क्या खाया या कुछ किया होगा, कुछ टेस्ट आ रही होगी थोड़ी. मैंने बादाम खाया था.
But can you taste it on your tongue? You're mute. Can you taste it on your tongue though?
उसने की थी अभी कुछ टेस्ट कर पा रही.
Okay, there's no taste on your tongue. Okay, fair enough. Tag someone else.
अमन.
किसको टैग किया?
अमन.
अमन हो गया. Aman is done.
हो गया तो वचन दिया. हो गया. सनी.
Sunny. Decide one ना. You took two, 3 names.
वर्थ ने लिया भैया. मैं राजती हूँ.
तो भैया.
Whose name are you taking, Sapna?
एक कम लोग हैं भैया.
भैया लोग कुछ
Quickly, Sapna. Sapna, whose name did you take?
भैया लगता है
Rachna. Okay.
सपने में चली गई वो.
Rachna. No cross comments,
Hello
please.
भैया. Hello.
Yes, Karan.
Sorry भैया to disturb you, but भैया अभी मैं आसमान में देख रहा हूँ भैया, बहुत टिड्डी आ रही है. देखो ऊपर बहुत सारी करोड़ों हैं.
Okay.
भैया करोड़ों हैं.
Aman is very excited about whatever he's seeing in his surrounding. Okay, Karan. Rachna, are you here? Can you listen us? Can you start sharing?
Yes,
Rachna?
yes.
Go for it.
5 things I can see. I can see clothes.
तो
I
अपना
can
वीडियो ही
see.
बंद.
Why are you commenting?
Continue, Rachna.
I can see clothes. I can see doors, fans, my sister, and a charger.
Okay.
4 things I can feel. I am feeling cold. I am feeling hungry. I am feeling a little upset, and happy also. Three things you can hear: the voice of fan, the air blowing in my face, and third, recently rain has come, so that smell. One thing I can taste. I cannot taste.
Fair enough. Tag someone else.
Who is left?
Azad is left. Archana is left.
Sunny.
Sunny is left.
Archana.
Archana, go for it.
I think that I can see. We have fish, stream of flower, book, table, pen. I think that four things that you can feel. Feeling cold. Feeling cold or
Just try to check on your body. Now, what sensation you're getting on your body?
feeling together. Feeling sleepy. Sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling hungry. I can hear the sound of pen. My father is calling का आवाज सुन पा रही हूँ और बस सपना आजाद की बातें कुछ भी नहीं महक रहे भैया नॉर्मल I drink water so water water आजाद telling आजाद हाँ तो भैया so I think you can see मतलब I can see fridge clothes अरे शांत है ना सपना I can see clothes and I can see books pen and I can see the clothes अरे कितने बार clothes बोलेगा हाँ बस bag table और क्या pillow I can see
Sapna, let Azad speak.
Fourth thing you can feel I am feeling normal. ये कौन feel करती है hot मैं normal. So I am also feeling tired. I do work now and then. कौन सा काम होता है तो and also मुझे क्या चीज़ें बताना ना nothing भैया यही feeling है क्या feeling क्या नहीं करनी
You have to check for your feelings. ऐसे ही आएगा नहीं तुम लोग को ध्यान देना पड़ेगा क्या क्या feel हो रहा है
नहीं I am feeling view I can also feel happy because you all are talking with you four दिन के बाद and third thing three things you can hear I can hear fan I can hear you not now but I can hear my mom and two things you can smell I cannot smell anything. It's making it. Nothing. One thing you can taste. Just now I ate a rice fruit, so I am tasting that.
Okay. I think the last person left is who's left?
Sunny.
Sunny. Yes, Sunny. Go for it. Sunny, can you hear us?
सनी भैया सुने कि नहीं?
Yeah, Aman, wherever you want, you get a chance to start speaking. Huh? Sunny, can you hear us? Can I ask him to share it in the chat? Okay, Sunny. Sunny, please share this. Okay, so hopefully you chat करके share कर लेगा if he can't hear us right now. Okay, so the reason I did this exercise with you all was I'll first stop sharing The reason I did this exercise for you all was बहुत बार हम लोग mindlessly कुछ हम लोग को पता भी नहीं होता हम लोग कैसे फील कर रहे हैं, हम बस काम करते जा रहे हैं, या फिर हम लोग गुस्सा ही है, या फिर I can be very sad, and I'm not feeling anything. So जब हम लोग ये exercise करते हैं, we start seeing things around us, we start hearing things around us, we start feeling what we are feeling on our body, etc., etc. So it calms us down and it brings us in the reality, it brings us into the present, and I hope this exercise did that for you. Okay, so now we are going to move ahead and we are going to start our session of answer writing. Okay, so y'all can take out your notebooks for now. What we are going to do is I am going to give you all questions and you all are going to write the answers to the questions. Okay, and once you're done writing the questions, just type it in the chat that you're done writing the question. Okay, so what we are going to do,
Question
is that I'm going to give you all questions and you all have to write the answers to those questions in your notebooks, and once you are done writing the answers, just type it in the chat that you are done writing the answer. Okay, so this is the first question for you all. Also about using textbooks, if you all feel like you all need the textbook, तुम लोग को answer नहीं आ रहा है, feel free to use the textbook. Okay, but पहले खुद से try, अमन,
सॉरी बोल लो फिर बोलता हूँ.
Okay, so पहले खुद से ट्राई करो, और अगर खुद से ट्राई करने के बाद भी आंसर नहीं आ रहा, then you all can use the textbook. Okay, you all can start writing the answer now. Yes, Aman.
भैया जूम प्लैंक केटॉन क्या होता है?
That you should know. Check your textbook if you haven't heard that.
Is this from one chapter or whole book?
Oh yes, all the questions we are going to solve today, they are from the chapter environmental management.
भैया तो मेरा environmental management कहाँ complete हुआ था?
So till then you can just try to find the answers in the textbook, Aman. I am assuming everyone here has completed all the 8 videos of environmental management.
Yeah.
ये ग्रास ऑफर होता तो समझ में आता, जूम प्लैंकटन क्या है वो नहीं समझ में आ रहा है भैया.
Then take the help of the textbook, Aman. Yes, Shubham.
You have to write the answer and say it out.
No, you don't have to say it out. Just type it out कि मेरा answer लिख के हो गया. Just type out done and send it in the chat, and I'll know that you are done writing the answer.
भैया इसको कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं कर सकते?
What do you mean copy paste?
रुको बताता हूँ.
If you are finding it difficult to find it in the textbook, I'll give you all a clue. Okay, this is part of aquatic food chain. Actually, it's given in the question itself. Right? Aquatic ecosystem का part है ये food chain.
भैया it is type of bacteria.
Aman, write the answer. If you think you found the answer, write the answer. Okay, Archana, Sapna, Azad are done.
कहाँ लिखना है वो तो बताओ.
In the notebook, Aman.
मतलब नोटबुक में लिख के.
Yeah, done.
Okay, Shubham is done.
रुक जाओ.
ठीक है, भूखी है लगता है, जाके उसको खिला पहले भर गई. हाँ.
Waiting for Rachna, Sunny. Karan, are you writing the answer? I couldn't see your notebook in the video.
नहीं मिल रहा है.
Okay.
भैया
Yes.
यहाँ पे किससे वो क्या बोलते हैं रिजल्ट का वो मांग
We could not hear you. Aman, we could not hear you.
क्यों? हाँ मैं बोल रहा था भैया किसी से वो रिजल्ट का वो मार्कशीट मांग लो क्या?
किससे मांगोगी? No, no. Again, let's discuss this after our session, na? Not now.
Okay.
Okay, I think majority of us are done.
मेरे को पता नहीं, मेरे को समझाओ.
Aman, you're interrupting me a lot. Whenever I'm not, before I finish a sentence, you're saying something and I cannot complete my sentence. Okay. So I would ask Archana, what's the answer to A?
Yeah, 100.
A का answer?
1000 Celsius.
1000 Celsius.
दूसरी वाली बोला है?
नहीं, सिर्फ A का आंसर चाहिए मुझे. What's the answer to the A?
बोला ना भैया 1000.
Okay, does anyone have a different answer?
Yes. भैया अर्चना का समझा है.
Yes. Rachna, what answer did you get?
Aquatic plants.
Aquatic plants. Okay, anyone has any different answer?
Yeah.
Yes, Shubham, what answer did you find?
Yeah.
Yes, Shubham.
Fishes are.
Okay. So I don't think any one of us has got
भैया मैं
the right answer. So I'm
एक बार
writing the correct answer in the chat. Okay, the first answer is phytoplanktons. The first answer is phytoplanktons. Okay, so Rachna was kind of correct because she wrote aquatic plants, right? So phytoplankton is a type of aquatic plant. So यहाँ पे मैंने actual answer लिखा है, not just plants, but कौन सा plant, उसका नाम क्या है? So that's the answer to the first one. So phytoplanktons को zooplanktons खाएंगे. Okay, zooplanktons will be eaten by whom? That's the B part, right? So what's the answer to the B part, Shubham? Shubham.
Zooplanktons, when we compare phytoplanktons and zooplankton, देखो phytoplankton कौन खाएगा ना?
B में क्या आएगा? मैं ये पूछ रहा, simple as that.
भैया मैं बताओ भैया मैं.
No, I want Shubham to try first. Yes, Shubham. B में क्या आएगा? Sorry?
Animals भैया, animals.
Animals. Okay. So Shubham, answer my question. Animals के बाद फिर बाद में birds दिया, right? So birds animals को खाते हैं क्या? Shubham, birds animals को खाते हैं?
But भैया some birds are there who eat animals, like मरे हुए जानवर.
ये aquatic food chain है ना? Aquatic food chain यानी lake समझो या फिर river समझो. So river के आजू बाजू जो birds है वो क्या खाएंगे?
Fish.
Aman, you again spoke out of turn. This is not working out, Aman.
भैया fishes in the river.
Fish, right? So birds will eat fish, right? So the answer to the B part is fish. Sunny, I see you're sharing what you're feeling. Keep doing it, okay? In the chat. So the answer to the first one was phytoplanktons. Answer to the second one was fish. I hope this is clear to everyone. If this is clear to everyone, can you all react with thumbs up? Thumbs up वाला reaction होगा नीचे. Karan has given a thumbs up. Aman has given thumbs up. Shubham, Archana, Sapna, Rachna. Everyone has given a thumbs up. Okay. So we'll move on to the next question. And तुम लोग आंसर कैसे लिखोगे एग्जाम में? पूरा का पूरा ड्रॉ करोगे क्या? Aman, will you draw this table again in the exam?
Yes.
No, you need not draw the table again.
A और B. A
Yes.
and B.
मैंने जैसे चैट में लिखा है वैसे के वैसे लिखना है. A का आंसर क्या है? B का आंसर क्या है? पूरा चार्ट ड्रॉ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay. Next question.
Will you pronounce the A1?
भैया fill the blanks बताओ.
First one, okay, one person at a time. Okay, I'll first answer Rachna. Rachna, first A का pronunciation है phytoplanktons. Sunny, what was your question?
कॉलम में हुआ तो
कॉलम में हुआ तो डिपेंड्स. अगर ए बी सी ऑलरेडी दिया है या फिर 1 2 3 दिया है तो तुम्हें ड्रॉ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर 1 2 3 नहीं दिया है तो तुम्हें ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे दे दिया है ना, बॉक्स का नंबर दे दिया है, सो तुम्हें वापस ड्रॉ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग एंड वंस यू आर डन सॉल्विंग जस्ट टाइप इट इन द चैट दैट यू आर डन.
ये तो है.
भैया
Yes,
मैं गिव
write it down in your notebook answer.
अच्छा ओके ओके
Yeah, everyone write the answers down in your notebooks. सनी नोटबुक में लिखना है आंसर, not in the chat. Someone, you're done writing all the answers?
Yes.
Okay. Sunny, you're also done writing all the answers in the notebook?
Yeah, it's Shubham.
क्या बोल रहे हो शुभम?
Yeah.
I still could not understand what you're speaking. Okay, you're giving a thumbs up means you're done. Rachna is done. Waiting for Archana, Sapna, Azad.
Yeah, me too also.
Yeah, you also done. Okay, everyone's done. So let us start sharing the answers. Okay. So Sunny has already given the answer to the A part. Okay, Sunny ने type किया था chemical factor. So that's the right answer. Anyone disagrees with Sunny?
No.
No. Next answer for C I want. C के लिए क्या होगा? सपना? Heterotrophic. Amazing. Next I would ask D. D वाला answers. Shubham. D.
Hydropressive.
Wait, now let Shubham try. Sunny, I'll give you chance. I'll give you also chance. Okay. Shubham.
Yeah, decompose.
Decomposers. Amazing. Next, I want B. Sunny, can you answer for B?
Okay. Organic substance.
Amazing. Left side में inorganic दिया है तो right side में उसका उल्टा organic आएगा. Great. E. Azad. Plants.
all the like natural resources from the
Okay. And next, last one F. Aman.
भैया F का consumer.
F is not consumers, Aman. F के ऊपर जो दिया है वो consumers है ना, तो
Animal.
consumers के अंदर animals.
Animal.
Okay, right. So consumers are animals, right? Okay. So we are done with this also. Is it okay to move ahead? Everyone got the answer right? Can you give me a thumbs up reaction? Then I can move ahead. But Archana, Sapna, Azad से आ गया, Sunny से आ गया, Shubham से आ गया, Rachna से आ गया, Aman से आ गया. Okay. So we are good to go. Next question. So do you remember मैंने वीडियो में बोला था कि इस चैप्टर में बहुत सारे फ्लो चार्ट्स हैं. So फ्लो चार्ट्स इस चैप्टर में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. वेरी हाई चांसेस कि कोई ना कोई फ्लो चार्ट के ऊपर ही क्वेश्चन आएगा इस चैप्टर में. और एनवायरमेंटल मैनेजमेंट का 5 मार्क्स का वेटेज है तुम्हारे एग्जाम में. सो इट्स ह्यूज. Okay, with respect to weightage. So very important chapter with respect to board exams. Okay, next. Quickly write the answers in your notebooks. Okay.
Hello, Bhaiya.
Yes.
Question.
Okay, 1 minute. I think there's someone on my door. I'll have to go. Give me a minute, okay? Till then, write the answers. Okay, sorry. Yes, Shubham. What's your question?
भैया डन
Okay. You have to give a thumbs up wala reaction, Aman.
दिया है
Okay. Aman done. Archana, Sapna, Azad done. Shubham done. Shubham, you had a question, right? हो गया solve?
About this answer making, ये सब अगर फ्लो चार्ट में जो ब्लैंक है उन लोगों के लिए भी हम लोग को कॉलम बनाना पड़ेगा और जस्ट राइट टू ए beside A we have to just write the answer.
तुम लोग को बस लिखना है A उसका आंसर क्या है, B उसका आंसर क्या है, C उसका आंसर क्या है, D उसका आंसर क्या है. ओके अगर A B C D दिया है तो, या फिर 1 2 3 4 दिया उस बॉक्सेस में तो, अगर समझो 1 2 3 4 नहीं दिया और सिर्फ बोला कंप्लीट द फ्लो चार्ट, तो तुम लोग को पूरा का पूरा वापस बनाना पड़ेगा. क्लियर? ओके
मींस जो रिमेनिंग या फिर ऐसा कुछ करके भी तो पड़ेगा. जस्ट आंसर है स्टार्ट.
Sorry, I could not hear you, Shubham, properly.
I am saying that here it is A. So we have to not write now in the beginning. The remaining answers are the following. We have to not write it like this, no.
Whatever works. लिखा तो भी चलेगा, नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा. Okay, I think everyone's done now. I got a thumbs up from Rachana. Sunny, you're done? Sunny?
भैया लास्ट वाले में कंफ्यूज हो रहा हूँ.
Okay, we'll figure it out together. No worries. Okay, first one का आंसर अमन. A का आंसर क्या है?
for the protecting of the natural resource.
Protecting natural resource.
हाँ
Did you see the textbook?
हाँ
Textbook में protecting natural resource लिखा है.
हाँ भैया मैंने फिल भी किया है.
Are you sure? Textbook में protecting natural resource लिखा है. Does someone else has a different answer to
Yes.
A? Rachna, what's your answer?
भैया मतलब इसका जो अमन बोला है उसको क्रिएट करके बोलूं क्योंकि इसने थोड़ा गलत बोला है.
Yeah, what's correct? Try to correct him.
To prevent depletion of natural resources.
Right. So to prevent depletion of natural resources. Okay.
Depletion
But depletion and protection, both of them mean the same. Okay. So I think both of them will get full marks. Okay. Next. B wala Azad, can you answer?
The biodiversity.
To conserve biodiversity. Okay, works. Next, C. Sapna, can you answer? Yes, C.
भैया आपने भी बोला.
Yes.
Environmental damage.
I can hear someone else saying that first and you repeating it.
अरे ये आजाद रखना है ना.
Okay, chalega. Next. Okay, works. I got it. Last one. Sunny, what were you thinking for last one? क्या सोच रहे थे last one का क्या आंसर हो सकता है? Sunny. Oh, what's the answer? Thumbs up नहीं.
कौन झगड़ा कर.
Sunny, what's the answer?
Which one भैया?
Last one, D. Okay, Shubham, would you like to help Sunny?
Yeah.
Yes.
Quality of the life, something like.
Yes, Shubham, try to help Sunny. What do you think? Was he right?
Yeah, to protect the biodiversity.
Protect biodiversity is already done. We have written that in B, na? So D में क्या लिखोगे?
भैया सेविंग.
आजकल गर्मी बहुत बढ़ रही है, क्या करें? That was a hint. गर्मी बहुत बढ़ रही है.
भैया कैन आई ट्राई?
Okay, Aman, try.
भैया टू रिड्यूस पोल्यूशन.
To reduce pollution and global warming. Okay, Sunny, does that make it clear? To reduce pollution and global warming.
Okay भैया.
Okay. So are we good to move ahead, or do you all need any clarification? If you think we are good to go, you can show a thumbs up reaction. Aman का आ गया, रचना का आ गया, शुभम का आ गया. Waiting for thumbs up reaction from Sunny, Archana Azad. Sunny का भी आ गया, Archana Azad, सपना का भी आ गया. Okay, good. We are moving ahead. This is the last flowchart type wala question. Okay, it's a very easy question. Quickly finish this, then we can move on to bigger answers.
कहाँ गया? एक तो रिसाइकल है. सॉरी.
Aman. Okay, Shubham is done. Aman is also done. Rachna is done. Archana, Sapna, Azad are done. Sunny, I think we are only waiting for you. Are you done writing the answers, Sunny? Okay, I'm going to start discussing the answers. Okay. First one, Archana.
भैया reduce recycle.
Reuse, recycle, एक और था शायद. Reduce भी है, reduce. 3 R's.
Reuse recycle.
Amazing. Next, B, Rachana.
B ना?
Yes.
Renewable solar energy.
Renewable solar energy, you could just say renewable energy source. Both of them would work. Okay. Next, Aman. C.
Save water.
Save water. Amazing. Next, D, Sapna.
भैया do not use plastic bags.
Say no to plastic. Do not use plastic bags. Whatever works. Okay. Next, Shubham. E.
भैया do not litter.
Do not litter. Amazing. Okay. So I think this was a very easy one. So I'm going to quickly move ahead. The next question is not a flowchart question. Okay. This is the question. You all can try to write the answer by yourself using whatever you all have already studied. If you all think you all need the help of textbook, then you all can go to the textbook also. Okay.
भैया indegrant means मतलब
Endangered. Endangered यानी can someone help? Endangered मतलब क्या होता है?
जो animals danger होती है.
जो danger में होते हैं. Thank you, Rachana. Remember, you will have to write it in 4 points. Okay. 4 points में answer explain करना.
गर्मी कितनी हो रही है यार.
You have to write by point wise.
Yes, you have to write point wise always. You all are in 10th standard now. All answers should be in point wise form. Okay, Aman is done writing the answer.
Yeah, we have to also mention examples, no?
That you take a call. तुम्हें लगता है 2 मार्क के लिए एग्जांपल्स बताने चाहिए? You think for yourself.
Yeah, I think.
भैया 4 पॉइंट लिख रहे तो 1 पॉइंट एग्जाम्पल के नहीं लिख सकते, 3 पॉइंट लिख के.
Again, let everyone finish this, then I'll tell you what I think. Okay. For now, whatever you think, you can just write.
ओके, वैसे हो गया, मैंने एक एग्जाम्पल लिख दिया.
Archana Azad Sapna done.
भैया
Yes.
भैया क्वेश्चन ही नहीं, कंफ्यूज हो गया हूँ, क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ रहा है.
Okay. Aman, can you help Sunny to understand the question? Can you
Yes.
explain him the meaning of the question? Yes, go for it.
Yes, the question mean you have to write about a plant and animal. मतलब प्लांट एंड एनिमल को क्या डेंजर में डाल रहा है वो लिखना है, उनको सेव कैसे कर सकते हैं, जो डेंजर में डाल रहा है उनके वो लिखना है ना भैया.
Yes, Sunny, did that clear it for you? Basically, plants और animals क्यों danger में है ये लिखना है, उसके reasons देने हैं. Hello Prem, we are doing answer writing practice. So if you have studied chapter number 4, I think 4, right? 4 or 3, environmental management, we are doing answer writing practice for that. Okay, Shubham is done. Shubham is done. Aman is done. Archana Sapna Azad से भी thumbs up आ गया था. Rachna is also done. Okay, I think now we can start sharing. Okay, so I don't want you all to share the entire answer. Okay, Aman, what is going on in the chat? Okay, I don't want you all to share the entire answer. मुझे बस बताओ first point किस बारे में लिखा है, second point किस बारे में लिखा है, third point किस बारे में लिखा है, fourth point किस बारे में लिखा है. Okay, just tell me what are the different 4 points. 4 अलग-अलग points किसके बारे में बता रहे हैं. Okay, Aman, you can try.
भैया first I have told about the forest, second to pollution because of pollution birds, and third about lake, and fourth is some example of danger and animal getting in danger.
Okay, Aman, I'll tell you, I'll give you 1.5 mark for your answer. Okay, and we'll see where you're missing that half mark. Okay, it's not about examples. Examples का 1 point डाला, that's okay for this answer. But let's see इसको और कैसे enhance कर सकते हैं. Right? Let's also hear बाकी लोगों ने क्या लिखा है. Shubham, yes.
Yeah.
भैया 1 मिनट भैया.
Yes, Aman.
मैंने सेंटेंस स्टार्टर भी लिखा है, मतलब सेंटेंस स्टार्टर से चालू किया.
Yeah, that's okay. I'm assuming तुम लोग को वो सब अब तक आ गया होगा. Okay, कि इसको अगर तुम लोग कुछ पता है आंसर क्या है तो उसको लिखना कैसे है. Now you're figuring out points कैसे हमें खुद के बनाने हैं. पहला point क्या होना चाहिए, second क्या होना चाहिए, that we're exploring now. Yes, Shubham.
So, yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. As Aman said, I wrote a sentence starter. So, and then first point, what is making plants and animals in dangerous situation or suffering from them? Second, what are their species? And third, about their species, how they are getting extinct. And fourth, with example of plants and animals, how they are becoming endangered and their species are getting over.
Okay, I think your third and fourth point almost sound similar. दोनों में कुछ मुझे difference नहीं लगा. Okay, anyone who has a different set of points than Aman and Shubham? Yes, go for it. Archana Sapna Azad में से someone from y'all can start. So from some one person from y'all, okay, not everyone together.
Yeah, I am giving the answer.
Yes.
So, Bhaiya, I think the many species of plants and animals are being endangered due to, first point, due to industrialization, like somewhere.
Aman,
like
sorry, Azad, don't explain your answer. Don't tell me the answer. But just tell first point में क्या लिखा है, second point में क्या, third में क्या, fourth में क्या. Short में एकदम.
Yeah, there are few natural ways of endangering the plants and animals and man-made. There are a lot of like problems of animal being. Their houses are being habitats or like destroyed due to some man-made or natural endangered things.
Okay.
Environmental pollution like hunting, mining, and destruction and other ecosystems.
Okay. Okay, great. But I could not understand तुमने point में कैसे किया. But one thing which I liked about your answer was तुमने analyze किया. तुमने क्या सोचा? सबसे पहली बात you talked about the houses, right? So I hope तुमने habitat ये word use किया. Animals का घर मतलब habitat word use करते. Okay. तो तुमने habitat के बारे में बात किया. Then you also थॉट कि क्या क्या रीजंस हो सकते हैं. दो टाइप के रीजंस हो सकते हैं. नेचुरल रीजंस हो सकते हैं और मैनमेड रीजंस हो सकते हैं. नेचुरल रीजंस क्या हो सकते हैं? अर्थक्वेक, वोल्केनिक इरप्शन, टाइफून, साइक्लोन, ये सब नेचुरल रीजंस. मैनमेड रीजंस क्या हो सकते हैं? माइनिंग, कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ डैम, डिफॉरेस्टेशन एटसेट्रा. सो व्हेन आई रीड दिस आंसर मुझे पता है कि ये जो स्टूडेंट है उसको बहुत अच्छे से अंडरस्टैंडिंग है. ही हैज द फ्लो चार्ट्स इन हिज माइंड और ही कैन कैटेगराइज कि अच्छा ये एक टाइप का रीजन, ये दूसरे टाइप का रीजन हो, और हर एक पॉइंट में उसके एग्जांपल्स भी आ रहे हैं. दैट्स व्हाट आई लाइक्ड अबाउट द आंसर. यस, लास्ट रचना.
Yeah, my answer was the same as Azad wrote.
Okay.
I also wrote sentence starter, natural cause, man-made cause, and then what happened.
Okay, amazing. So I'm going to read out one answer. Okay, और हमेशा याद रखना कि कोई भी एक आंसर यानी परफेक्ट वही फाइनल करेक्ट आंसर नहीं होता. देयर आर सो मेनी वेज टू राइट द आंसर्स. इट्स जस्ट दैट 4 अच्छे यूनिक पॉइंट्स होने चाहिए. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू रीड आउट माय आंसर टू यू ऑल. ओके, जस्ट लिसन टू इट एंड मेक चेंजेस. तुम लोग ने अपने नोटबुक में कौन से पॉइंट्स मिसिंग है, कैसे तुम लोग एनहांस कर सकते हो. ओके, सो many species of plants and animals are becoming endangered due to, first point, natural causes like earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, floods, droughts, wet and dry and wet famines, etc. Second point, man-made factors like overutilization of resources, environmental pollution, hunting, etc. Third point, some human activities like construction of dams, building roadways, etc. destroy natural habitats of plants and animals. Fourth, usage of certain plant species and animal species for manufacturing of pharmaceuticals, perfumes, cosmetics, etc. can endanger them. So मैंने कैसे अपना अरेंज किया? सबसे पहले बात मैंने नेचुरल कॉजेज के बारे में बात किया. सेकंड मैंने मैनमेड कॉजेज के बारे में बात किया. थर्ड पॉइंट मेरा उनके घर के बारे में था. घर को मैंने हैबिटेट बोला है. आई एम यूजिंग गुड वर्ड्स, साइंटिफिक टर्म्स. तो थर्ड पॉइंट मेरा हैबिटेट के बारे में. और फोर्थ पॉइंट, प्रोडक्ट्स में हम लोग इनको कहाँ पे यूज करते हैं उसका एग्जांपल दिया. सो इफ यू सी अमन, मैंने हर पॉइंट में एग्जांपल दिया है. So that's a better way to write the answer, right? कि हर point में कुछ examples दे दूँगा. So that was my answer. So try to enhance your answers as well. We are out of time. Actually मैंने बोला था 5 बजे तक ही होगा Zoom class. So I am not going to ask you all to do the next question here. But you all can copy the question and try it by yourself. Okay, एक last question रह गया. So just copy the question and do it as your homework. Okay, before we move on, can I get a thumbs up? Was the answer clear? Aman, Shubham, Rachana, Archana, Sapna, Azad से thumbs up आ गया. Sunny, was the answer clear? Give reason वाला. Give me a thumbs up reaction ना. Thank you. Prem, if you're paying attention, तुमसे भी thumbs up reaction चाहिए मुझे.
Question changed.
Yeah. मैंने thumbs up के लिए वापस पीछे गया था question के. Okay. Copy this question and I can do this as a homework.
Yeah, can you explain, please?
First copy and then I'll explain. Okay. Once you're done copying, again give me a thumbs up. Aman is done. Shubham is done copying the question. Prem is done. Archana, Azad, Sapna are done. Archana is done. Waiting for Sunny to complete copying the question. Okay, Sunny is also done. Okay. So Shubham needs some help understanding the meaning of the question. Who would like to try? Who would like to try explaining the meaning of the question?
Bhaiya, let me try.
Yes.
Bhaiya, maybe the question is asking how many the animals which are are left in the endangering. भैया like बहुत कम जगहों पे मिलते हैं, कितने हैं, मतलब क्लासिफाई कैसे कर रहे हैं?
Azad, I'll ask you one very simple question. Classified का मतलब क्या?
मतलब उनको जाना जाता है वो कैसे होते, किस टाइप के होते हैं अलग अलग
टाइप्स.
So types. रचना is saying types. या फिर आजाद जैसे बोल रहा था कितने अलग अलग उसके फॉर्म्स है और उसको क्या क्या नाम दिया है. सो एंडेंजर्ड में तुम लोग ने अगर इफ यू रिमेम्बर वी हैव सीन रेयर स्पीशीज, वी हैव सीन एंडेंजर्ड स्पीशीज एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. ऐसे 4 टाइप्स देखे थे हम लोग ने. तो तुम लोग को 4 टाइप्स बताने कौन से टाइप्स है और उसके बारे में एक एक लाइन लिखना है. ओके, दिस विल typically come for 3 marks. So 3 mark का क्वेश्चन है. Generally 6 points are expected. So you have to write what are the types की rare animals, endangered animals, etc. etc. And उसके बारे में एक एक लाइन भी लिख दिया और एक दो एग्जांपल्स दे दिए. That will be more than enough for this question. Okay, so I'm giving this as your homework. Yes, Rachana.
भैया अगर 4 टाइप्स रहेंगे तो कैसे 6 पॉइंट्स लगाएंगे उसको?
Then you write more ना. If there are 4 types, so तुम्हारे 4 types और उनका डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक एक लाइन. So तुम्हारे 4 पॉइंट्स वहां पे हो गए और सबके तुम एग्जांपल्स भी लिख रहे हो. सो 4 2 जा 8 हो जाएंगे. सो यू विल एक्चुअली हैव 8 पॉइंट्स. सी 4 टाइप्स के बारे में एक एक लाइन हो गए 4 पॉइंट्स क्लियर. एंड देन चारों के एग्जांपल्स लिखोगे वो और 4 पॉइंट्स हो जाएंगे ना. सो 4
एग्जांपल अलग से लिखना है.
यस, एग्जांपल को तुम सेकंड पॉइंट में लिख दो. सो इफ आई राइट रेयर स्पीसीज, I will write rare species. उसके बारे में एक लाइन will be first point. Second point will be examples of rare species. So मेरे 2 points हो गए एक के लिए. Yes, someone from Azad Archana Sapna was asking.
Yeah, I was asking, can you explain please?
I just did right. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Threatened animals के बहुत सारे अलग अलग types हैं. Okay, I'll also give you कौन से page number में you all can refer.
45.
35. Let me cross check. 35 तो नहीं है. 45 you said क्या?
45 I said.
रोहन भैया.
Yes, page number 45 Shubham. If you see at the top, page number 45 में there are 4 types of species given ना. उसको तुम्हें explain करना है.
Yeah, what is the meaning of threatened?
Threatened मतलब okay. Can someone help our dear friend Shubham? What's the meaning of threatened? Prem, can you try to explain? Threatened का meaning क्या है?
Means they are being harmed.
I asked Prem, but okay, threatened. So that's why if I say someone is trying to threaten me, उसका मतलब क्या होगा?
भैया harming you.
Someone is trying to harm me.
Someone is trying to harm me और मुझे डर लग रहा है. Okay, डर लग रहा है. So threaten करना यानी डराना. So threatened animals यानी किसी का तो डर है. किसका डर है कि ये extinct हो जाएंगे, सारे के सारे खत्म हो जाएंगे, इसका डर है. So threatened यानी there's a danger. Okay, does that make it clear, Shubham?
All clear.
Okay, that is it for today. Hope you all have a better understanding of how to write answers. I think for all science classes from now on, what we will do is we'll do answer writing practice. That's a good use of our time. Okay, so that's it for today. You all can start leaving the meeting now. People who have doubts, they can stay back. People who don't have any doubts and they are good to go, you all can leave. Yes, Shubham.
Bhaiya, I have to means I want to suggest you one thing. Bhaiya, see, Bhaiya, you teach everything, no? So every topic. So what I am telling, just read about and give some extra information, and you give us short notes and all. So you can also do India. You can in the last page. Thank you all. You can just give a summary of it each time. Dono bachega bhaiya.
Okay, so 2 things I'll say. Okay, firstly, I think I'm always trying to fit a video within 30 minutes. So 30 minutes में मैं जितना बता सकता हूँ उतना बताने की कोशिश करता हूँ, because I don't want to give you longer videos. And secondly, about summarizing, what I feel is more useful is अगर अगले सेशन में मैंने वापस रिवाइज किया पिछले सेशन में क्या सिखाया था, so that I anyway do. Okay. And about extra content, कुछ extra information वगैरह, if you see on about extra content, if you see Google Classroom, मैं वहां पे कुछ ना कुछ भेजते रहता हूँ एक्स्ट्रा. फॉर एग्जांपल लास्ट इवनिंग मैंने फ्यूजन, न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन के ऊपर एक आर्टिकल, सॉरी एक वीडियो भेजा था. इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो. सो अगर तुम लोग एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए, आई कैन कीप सेंडिंग दैट ऑन Google Classroom and you all can feel free to comment on those posts. Okay. Yes, Shubham.
भैया न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन से भैया कैन यू न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन क्लियर? Yesterday I wrote some points, so I showed my sister. She was saying that I will give you marks from 5 to 4.5.
Okay. So if that's the case, you can feel free to share it with me also. और इनफैक्ट तुम Google Classroom वाले जो स्ट्रीम है ना, स्ट्रीम वाला बटन होता है नीचे, वहां पे भी अगर तुम फोटो क्लिक करके भेज दोगे, everyone else can see and comment on that. So तुम Google Classroom में भी भेज सकते हो.
प्लीज कमेंट और शेयर जरूर कीजिएगा, लाइक
सब्सक्राइब भी करो. Okay. Okay, rest of the people, you all are free to leave if you all don't have any doubts.
बाय बाय.
See you. Bye.
See you man.
यार 5 मिनट की मस्ती करने के लिए दो ना.
मस्ती के लिए नहीं है, हम लोग we are going to solve
चलिए.
doubts.
भाग गए सब लोग, ये क्या करेंगे जान दो. भैया मेरे को तो बता ही दो डाउट के लिए. रुक जाओ.
Yes, Sunny, you can start asking your doubts. बोलो.
भैया पावर प्लांट